This webinar, entitled How-Tos of Distressed and Suspended Construction Projects, is part 2 in a 3-part series on distressed projects. Doug Russell, Max Elliott, and Vitaly Florin will discuss what constitutes a distressed project and provide case studies.
My name's Doug Russell. I'm the Director of Growth Strategy here at Vertex. Max Elliott, Assistant Vice President in the Vertex Project Advisory Group, will be starting it off, and he'll be talking about a project, and he'll also have a case study on some contracts. Vitaly Florin will be going second, and his project will be something that we picked up midstream through construction.
You know, distressed project is one that's experiencing financial, legal, or operational difficulties that threaten its ability to be completed successfully. The first case study we're going to talk about is a project that was built in May 2016 approximately was the final CO. There's 20 buildings on the property, 396 unit complex that back in 16 was 60 million in hard costs. You can kind of extrapolate that for today's market. But this case study, I personally have been involved with this project since 2019 when Vertex was engaged as kind of a construction project manager, to really kind of administer our different service groups within Vertex, because there are a variety of issues that were presented to us by the ownership team. And it started with reports of moisture intrusion into the residents' units. That was at windows, that was in other areas inside of the breezeways.
So my case study, it's going to be painting the picture and the story of what we call the never-ending project. Really an example of kind of a maybe not a worst case scenario, but a scenario where a lot of things went awry all at once, and the negative synergy between them and kind of the mess that they found themselves in. So it was a multifamily development, podium style with 230 units. Podium meaning you've got a concrete structure with parking garage, swimming pool, courtyard, and then wood frame residential and amenity spaces on top of that, 5 stories of that. So lessons learned for the project overall. First one is time is of the essence. They really could have caught a lot of this stuff earlier on and brought Vertex on in a more meaningful way, and the opportunity for change would have been a lot higher at a lot lower cost. And also, as things stopped and started and dragged on, you see kind of the material degradation that happens. So time is of the essence.